Ahmed Pau. Mamangi Chowdu Sokan Krabasingi Pifam Thopa Sanfam Singh Piragani Haina, Chief Minister and Birena Haikri. Amasong Home Affairs ke Union Minister of State Kiren Rijiju Security Review Meeting Yauna Navangasi until Imphal de Lakadori. Kurumjeri STB Pau Meeting Tabiri Basing Taram Nokchiri Hoji Pau Sanong Pizari. Mamangi Chowda Sokan Krabasingi Pifam Thokpa Sanfam Singh Piragani Haina, Chief Minister and Birenangasi Raj Bhavan the Pangthokpa Mahaki Relief Funda Governor Selgi Mating Pibagi Thoram the High Cray. Magna Makata High Kibada, Ichawaduna Sokan Krabasing Adugi Mating Pinanaba Lupa Kro Chamaga Kuntaruk Kaitarakle. Atuba Matamda District Singi DC Singi Kutangda Sanfam Singh and Toklagani, Magna Makata Raduna. Handaki Chowna Sokan Krabasingi Damak Kudaki Tingbang Oina Cheng Quintal Lissing Kun Hawaii Quintal Lissing Taruk Amadia Chatau Bottle Lissing Marfu Hapta Ahungi Manungda Ching Toknaba Center de Kangalakle Haiki.
Urgent allocation of 20,000 quintals of rice and 6,000 quintals of dal and 80,000 liters of edible oil for food. Now immediately 3 weeks Kimanungda. Singadabini had an agriculture minister instruction peak. Last year to give the 126 crore lakre, Madu district Singda distribution to Orkanda, Magi Selambigi 27 crore yore. Adagi Yumgi, Adagi IFCDG 2.6 crore. Minor department wise, Soki with the Yelagapire, Madu Soy decision Kutangdaba, Atumatamda. Wax ki lambi siyang wadam na siyang wadaba IFCD ki tawgadaba yum yen gumasok ki piga daba sing loina distributor.
Ngasi Chief Minister Relief Funda Manipuri Governor Dr. Nazma Heptulana Mahak Masayauna Mahaki Raj Bhavan ki staff singi Nomagi Tolop Amadi Atay Atopa Miyoy Sing Napirakpa Sanfam Governor na Chief Minister and Biren Kutsin Nakre. Thauramaduda Governor Dr. Nazma Heptulana NEC ki meeting da atuba matamda center dagi ichaw gi tengbang pina na bahayragani. Northeast region gi in charge oriba Donna Minister dasu Manipur gi ichaw na sokhalaba mi fiba masigi matangda center da pukat na bahayragani fungdoki.
And I'm always fighting to get more money for our state. Even for the flood relief, when I go to NIC, I'm going to talk about it, that we need more support from the center for the work, especially in that flood-affected area. So it is just a gesture to tell people that we are with you in this hour of crisis. Very soon, I'm going to be for the NEC meeting. In the NEC meeting, I'm going to take it up because even the NEC has got funds to give. And the minister, donor minister, who is in charge of all of us, the northeastern state, he is our spokesman there. He should speak for us. So I'm going to convince him.
Bharat Sarkar ki Home Affairs ke Union Minister of State Kiren Rijiju Security Review Meeting yauna na bangasi nungthil Imphal da lakadori. Numit nini ki Imphal khongchirasi ki matangda official schedule matungin na ngasi nungthil pung ahum taba matamda Imphal Airport ta thumgani. Mahaki khongchirasi da hongi LO2 MOS militani su loinarakani. Union Minister of State Kiren Rijiju na Imphal Airport ta thunglaba matungda by road ta Imphal Airport ge Hotel Classic Grande fawbo chatkani. Nungtil pung mga dagina taruk fawba CM Secretariat ta pangthukadaba Security Review Meeting da sarukya gadawri. Ngasi numidang Hotel Classic Grande da hingle kani hayang ayu pung taraga minit tara mga taba matamda Hotel Classic Grande da pangthukpa tongan ba program sing da Kiren Rijiju sarukya gadawri. Nungtil pung ahum makai taba matamda Delhi gi damak Jet Airways gi akhanaba aeroplane amada Imphal thadokigani. Union Minister of State Kiren Rijiju na Imphal da lakadori besigi mangoy na SSG CISF ki Close Protection Team mangjong na Imphal da laktuna Union Minister na legadaba amadi chatkadaba mafam sing mangjong na yengshinba hokre hairi. Yellow Me Ching Tam Salai Teret ki pai puna thambiram balamkai Lising amaga chamapan yangkai mapaldagi hauna kayarak mangduna laklaba matungda Myanmar amasung India Manipur lona ba boundary pila number 81 Manipur romda Henjilaktuna kilometer ahumlom mangshilakpagi matangda legal notice thakre haina All India Kangla Pakhangba Temple Development Society na haire. Paugi maraktatna tembe break ama.
ꯑꯩꯅ ꯏꯁꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯀꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯆꯠꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯂꯩꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯤꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯂꯥꯁꯇ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯀꯣꯃꯦꯠ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯖꯕꯅꯤ
ꯑꯩ ꯕꯤꯅꯤꯇꯥ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧꯖꯝ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯅꯤꯠ 2018 ꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯣꯞ ꯇꯥꯖꯕꯅꯤ
ꯑꯦꯕ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯋꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯇꯦꯁ ꯁꯤꯔꯤꯁꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯦꯛ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯔꯤꯈꯥꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯨꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯅ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯅ ꯅꯣꯛꯂꯒ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ
ꯅꯤꯠ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯄꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯀꯣꯃꯦꯠꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯦꯌꯔ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯅꯤ
Chabada Hauraba, Hakchang Soktaba, Bohagi Mustard Oil, the taste of Assam. Distributor Oining Basingna, mobile number +917578007064. Guwahati da contact Tobirak Yagani. Bohagi Mustard Oil.
Unique Education, the first CBSE and ICSE coaching center at Imphal. Admissions open. 5 months foundation for CBSE class 9 and 10. 5 months foundation for CBSE class 12 science private candidate and 5 months foundation for CBSE 11 science. Class commences on 28 June. Unique Education, Sega Road, Konjeng Hazari Lekai, opposite Sangai Express.
Are you confused about your career after 10+2? If yes, then get in touch with SS Career Solution, 2nd floor Gypsy Building, Pauna International Market, Pauna Bazaar. Best career counseling center in Manipur.
Hakchangi labor sorakpadagi producing aktaba, hakchang choktarba, tumba chaba yaraktaba, khong hama numayaktaba singidamak, amatta nayaba upaidi, Jolib syrup, amasu Jolib capsule wo changmina sinabiyo.
Quick zone gidi tata college di. Mamal suma phang kuding cham mane yo suma ngaroi pista chalabni na. Adu suma takta superlink footing gi offer me amum piri sidi. Tas electric rang no sin bagum na yoti sin bayar.
Dudi sana gi mohut yang na sin bayar andre.
MS Iramdam ki Laisil Aqua Project Private Limited Kabo Laikai Dolaland Dalaiba Ekoi gi factory da 250 ml 500 ml 750 ml 1 liter amadi 20 liters packaged drinking water marangkai no phangbiragani nongno puthok saba packaged drinking water asigi test kauba sungam ngamloi.
Admission opened 2018 to 19. Facilities at IITA. International certification program approved in 88 countries. 100% international and national job assistance. Attractive salary packages. Trained by experienced faculties. Tied up with the reputed airlines. High-tech classroom with air condition and many more. Only institute in Manipur offering international certification in ground staff, cabin crew and diploma and tourism. Be a part of the most luxurious lifestyle. For details, Changangai opposite Imphal International Airport.
Bohagi mustard amadi refined oil, the taste of Assam. Bohagi oil jabiu karupati oibiu. Masida sunatana lucky coupon price mayam amasu lejari. Adumgi manak nakpa store dagi fangbigani.
Breaking matuna taram nok chires makata babao. Manipur University da AP Pandena English Tara Taruktagi Vice Chancellor Oirakpadagi University Asigi Fajaraba Masak Asi Manganba Hauraki Haina Manipur University Students Union Hairi Chahi Ama Hena Vice Chancellor Oinalerakpa Asina Ngasidi Layingba Ngamlaroidaba Laina Olakle Luraba Tanfamasida Mushuna Tintaba Taudana Haukiba Megi Tang Kuntra Dagi Vice Chancellor AP Pandegi Mayokta Irang Hauduna Lakhe Vice Chancellor Namana Tadaba Amadi Irang Loshinanaba, Mahaki Kuchabi Ojagi, Izat Yaudraba, Ozakara Komduna, Iho Nam Tanaba Hotnaribasi, Mahire Kunai, Usitabatanatana, Manipuri Kunai Usitabani. Ngasi su Mai Ani Longba Oja Karana Inshinduna, Iho Asi Communal Oiba Ihoni Haina, Lan Uhanaba Hotnaribasi, Mushuna Hakchina Lowi Haidi. Manipur University Teachers Association Mutana Mushuna Thangatliba allegation asibu Sengdo U Hairaba Faubada Asuk Kuiba Matam Asida Sengdoke Kandraga Ngarang Nahanda Pangya Yabagi Moongda Media the Sengdorakpasi Manipur University Kaknatana Mahiroi Kunai Apunbana Yabang Amloy Maragasida Human Resource Development Ki Ministry Gi Joint Secretary na issue asibu Yengshinba Laklaga Manipur Gi Governor Muta Amadi Proctor Unaramdana Chatkibasi State Government Ka Lautuna Raga Irang Namthanaba Hotnarabra Haibasi Mushuna Hangli Issue asi maram chai haiduna oja kayasu ihau tauribani masida ojagi izat yaudraba mamai ani longba oja ama anina mark evaluation seat e block tagi lokthok GP Women's College ta parikya gi check khot liba asi khudakta lepkadabani Mawang Maril Tadraba Tabak Asi Taunaba Hotnariba Sida Registrar in Charge Oriba Professor M. Sam Kishoramadi Deputy Registrar R.K. Jotin Loinana Controller in Charge A. Narayan Makoi Ahumna Athingba Thambagi Mahutta Ayaba Piribasi Mushuna Tumina Laithokloi Vice Chancellor A.P. Pandena Mapanda Tuina Chatpa Amadi Halakadabagi Matam Taklamdana University Asida Mahakna Tauningba Taubadat BC gi in charge oina sinaramba Professor W. Biswanatna aranba tawbasida ngasi fawbada wa machet amatta kangthokpa ngamdaba asi iramda masigi mahairoi singbu amadi lebak miyambu karishoina khandabani haina mushuna lawi lagliba jun gi tang kuntra asida musu muta amadi mushana silliba khongchet asida sarukya bio hairi Moirang Kendra gi Lomi Singda Kendra Sigi MLAP Sarat Chandra gi meeting Makada Urea Har Fanganba Hokre Haina Moirang Assembly Constituency Modi Vavan Moirang na Kangalakli Haujerabada Maraba Pau Amukahna Mamangi Chowda Soban Krapa Singi Pifam Tokba Sanfam Sing Piragani Haina Chief Minister N. Birena Haikre Amasong Home Affairs ki Union Minister of State Kiran Rijiju Security Review Meeting yauna na bangasi nung Tilinfal de Lakadori. Haji Pau bigan astim na pijaba pau matanga shwala lesenjere meeting tabiri basing bumukan na kunje.